Hello, happy Thursday, everybody. So it is 7:13. Probably by the time I get upstairs and get situated, probably 7:20. I will be breaking my fast. I have here 3 large eggs with one slice of Munster cheese. It weighs like 1 ounce. 2 slices of bacon. 3 ounces of avocado. Mixed with half a tablespoon of MCT oil, fresh garlic, and some pink Himalayan sea salt, and then 6 olives. And so for dinner, I'm having some lamb chops and some spinach and collard greens that I had made yesterday, and then a tomato mozzarella salad. It's a small one. So this should hold me for a couple of hours. I am hungry. Just got finished cooking dinner for my boys. They are having one of those one-pot meals with Zatarain's. Let me show you. So this is what I fixed for my boys. I put ground sausage in here, and then it was 3 packs. These are individually packaged. 3 packs of diced chicken breasts, and then 2 boxes of this. And like I said, it's one of those one-pot meals, so you can add chicken, sausage, things. You know, these are the meats that you can add whatever you want. So I added some ground sausage and chicken breast, and I fixed 2 boxes of these. So this is what it looks like. The sausage is diced up in there. You can see the chicken, and then they're gonna put a salad with it. And that's their one-pot meal. I do not feed them keto. It's up to them. They are athletes, and they need all of the calories, or else their bodies will not respond correctly. Trust me, I know. So until I come back with my dinner, peace. Hello. I'm back with my dinner. What time is it? It's 9:34, so I'll probably eat about 9:40. Right here, I got little lollipop lamb chops with some fresh sauteed spinach and some collard greens that I made yesterday. And then right here, it's I think this is burrata mozzarella. And what burrata mozzarella is, it has a soft, creamy cheese on the inside with a regular mozzarella-like texture on the outside. And so it's 2 ounces of it, because they come in 2 big balls, and it's soft too. So when you take it out, it kind of like the cheese on the inside kind of like oozes out, but it don't look that appetizing, but it is good. And so that's 2 ounces of mozzarella, 2 ounces of Roma tomato, probably about a cup and a half of spinach, and a cup of collard greens. I did use fresh spinach again, and I just sauteed it down. And then for my supplements that I take at night, just because they have calories, and this is like a detox, so I take 6 pills every night, and I think it's been working. I go to the bathroom every day when I get up. It's supposed to be like a detox and other stuff, that chlorella, what do they call this stuff? Algae. All the benefits of algae. So I believe these are working. I got this from a doctor that I went to for cryo and recovery therapy, and he gave me this and some vitamin D. The vitamin D was a liquid form. I haven't been back to him since that day, because I just had stopped working out, had surgery, and all of that stuff, and I forgot I even had this. So I started back taking this, and I have been sleeping somewhat pretty good and having energy and stuff like that. So, and plus it expires in November, so I got this like, I don't know, over a year ago from him. And then y'all know I got my yogurt with my blueberry fruit compote and my pistachios. So this is gonna be it for my meals. Hopefully I've been adding more fats to my meals because I noticed I have been snacking, and it's more so snacking on candy. So yeah. So I just need to up my food for my last meal because I don't want to have to eat, just chew my little gum, and that's about it. So until my next meal, peace. Y'all be safe out there. Here is my dinner. I have a microgreen salad with a tablespoon of MCT oil drizzled on it, 2 ounces of orange, ounce of cucumbers, onions in here. I got a cup of collard greens, and this is 6 ounces of halibut. This is a salad dressing that I use. It tastes really good. It's low in calories, as you can see, so it's low in carbs. It's 1 gram of sugar, low in sugar. And I don't think there's any bad ingredients for the most part. I mean, it do have sunflower oil, but it ain't gonna kill me. It's like the 7th or 8th ingredient on here, so it's not a bad salad dressing, and it gives me more wiggle room for other fats and carbs and stuff. So that's what I use. So I just sprinkled about a tablespoon and a half of that salad dressing, and I pan fried my halibut in a tablespoon of actually a half a tablespoon of ghee, grass-fed ghee. And also what I want to say about this too is 2 tablespoons per serving, so 50 calories, 4.5 grams of fat, 1 gram of saturated, 2 carbs, so it's pretty good in ingredients. And then this is gonna be my snack. I'm gonna eat probably about, it's 10:04 now, so probably about 11 o'clock. I will eat this and my pistachios, and then I should be good for the night. I should be finished eating by midnight. That works for me. So, see y'all later. Peace.